Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. Now to get started, you'll want to open up the Contacts application, which is located in the Google folder. From here, you're going to tap on the three bars right here in the corner, and then we're going to select Settings. At the bottom, you'll see Import. You can select SIM card. And then this will display all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. By default, they should all be selected as long as one of the contacts doesn't actually exist on your device. If such a contact exists on your device, it will grayed out that single contact and deselect it automatically. So you won't be able to create it or import it twice. Now, you can also deselect contacts yourself that you don't want, and from there you can select Import. Now, by default, you should probably be you would normally be logged into a Google account, and if you are, I believe somewhere like right here, right below the Import Contacts, you have an option to change where you import contacts to, so you have a choice either to a device or to your account. But I am not logged in, so it only gives me device as an option, or it doesn't even give me the option. Anyway, from here we're going to select Import. It's going to give us the amount of contacts that have been imported, and when we go back we should be able to see them in our list. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.